Hey everyone, it's Karen and welcome to Sassy Plants. I have got plant mail. I just got home from work. Ignore my hair. It's raining here, but I came in and I just couldn't have 3 packages. I'm not sure where these 2 are from. I think this is some shirts that I ordered, but this one is from Tennessee Tropicals, and this has one of my top wish plants in it. So let's we're gonna set that one till last. Let's do this one first. This one, I ordered this off Etsy. Actually, I ordered these off of Amazon, and I will put the link down below. But I ordered me 2 t-shirts, and this one is the Monstera leaf. And it's light blue, very soft, love it. And this one has several Monstera leaves on it. And I love it, and I got it in Heather Gray. And it's very nice also. And what I'm wearing here, this is from the Plant Farm, and it's called Proud. It says Proud Plant Addict, which I am. So that's what was in that bag. So let's see what is in this little box here. Sorry I haven't been on here in a while. I've kind of completely changed the format of my channel from makeup, which I still love makeup and I still have a ton of it, but I kind of I just wanted to get back into something that I really like. Oh, this isn't plants. This is also from Amazon. I ordered these pots. And let's see if I can get them out. My goodness. Okay. They're eggplant pots. They have this really cool little drain in the bottom of them. They don't actually have, I don't think they have holes, but they have this little thing in the bottom of them to where water can actually go down in there if it needs to. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 of these. And I thought I could use these with my LECA because I'm trying to experiment with that and see if I like it or not. The verdict's still out on it. I don't know. My plants did okay in it, but I don't know. I'm just a dirty girl. I like to get in the soil and mix my own soil. So we'll see. I'll keep you up to date on that. This Tennessee Tropicals, I think I ordered, let me find it around here. I think I ordered 4 plants from them. And it's took them quite a while to get them to me, but that's fine. I mean, I live in the South. I live in Arkansas, and you never know what the weather's going to be here. So, right now the weather's warm, and it's rainy outside right now. I have some begonias and plants out on my front porch, and they're loving it. So this is comes with my packing list, tells me what I got. This also has the packing peanuts, and these feel like the starch ones that when they get wet they kind of dissolve. That's what they feel like. This is what the packing looks like. So let's see here what we got. Oh, they're taped in the box. Really good. So let's just tape off. It seems like I'm getting quite a bit of loose soil, but maybe not too bad. So this is the first one. And you're going to have to excuse me if I say these names wrong because, you know, I am a Southern girl, and I'm just going to say them like, you know, they sound to me. So let's see if we can get some of this tape and paper off. This is a Hoya that I have been wanting, It is the Hoya Macrophylla in a 4-inch pot. And it looks really healthy. I can get all this tape and mess off of it. I like it when they tape them in and pack them really good. I've ordered a lot of plants, and I was going to start my channel earlier, and I'm sorry if this is loud. I did a lot of unboxing, so probably what I'm going to have to do is as I get my channel up and going, I will just have to go through and show you the plants I ordered, tell you where I got them from, and because I have quite a few plants, and some of them are pretty special to me. But this is so pretty. These leaves are gorgeous. I have to edit some of this out because I didn't go sparingly on the tape. And then they got the paper taped around to hold the dirt in, which is very good, very good, very good. These are pretty dry, so when we get through here, I'll have to give them a good drink. But this is the Macrophylla Hoya, and the leaves are so pretty. Look at that veining and the color. Oh, and it looks so healthy. This one's kind of got a rip in it, but that's fine. That's fine. I'm good. It looks very healthy. Look at this one right here. It's really pretty. It's a little bit crispy on the edge, but all the way from Tennessee. Not going to complain. Then our next plant. Whew, it's taped in really good. Really good. Let's see what this one is. Oh. Ooh, this is my #1 wish list plant. Can't believe I'm holding it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. You know how you wanted something so bad and you see it and you're like, I'll never be able to have that. And then, you know, it just kind of falls into your lap and it's like, okay, I might be able to have that. And that's what this one is to me. And I just hope, I have a small little greenhouse back here. And I'm going to, oh no. Oh no. It was a little baby leaf too. Oh no. Ugh. I can't even talk. No, I don't know if you can tell what it is or not, but oh God. This is an Alocasia Silver Dragon. It's a little bitty baby guy. And I just broke off one of its new little leaves. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look at the details on those leaves. I can't wait. I'm going to put this little baby in my greenhouse and oh, this is my this was one of my very, very top wish list plants. It wasn't my number one, but it was like my 1.5. So there's that. There should be 2 more plants in here somewhere. I'm not a big fan of these packing peanuts. They just kind of make a mess and get everywhere, and I just don't like them. This is a plant that I had bought a plug of. And I bought it off of Etsy, and I thought I did everything right. I watch Peggy's Tropical Garden out of Florida. She's in the Florida Keys, and I really like her, and I really like the stuff she does, and I thought I kind of followed her, what she did with the plant, but I guess I didn't, because hers is like gorgeous and growing. Mine is dead. Mine looks like it has one stalk left, and it's a toothpick. But this is a Hoya retusa. Okay, there's that. Let's see if we can get some more of this tape off of this baby. Maybe I can. This is a plant that is really different. At first I seen it and I was like, I don't like that. And then the more I looked at it, I was like, you know, you're just weird enough for me to like. And so I got that little plug, and it was so cute when I got it. It was so healthy, but I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. You know, sometimes you get those plants, and no matter what you do, they're going to do what they want to do. And that one, I guess, wanted to go to plant heaven because it jumped on the first bus and it was out of here. So, but this one looks so good. And Tennessee Tropicals, I don't know if you've ever bought anything from them or had any dealing with them, but I had a really good, you know, it took them a couple of weeks. And I actually sent them an email asking them if everything was okay. And they told me yes. I mean, very good correspondence with them. But this is it. And look at this runner here on this. I mean, it is like, wah, wah, wah. It feels so cool. Yeah, so maybe the other one I just didn't give it a good enough chance. But there it is. A Hoya retusa. And I really like it, and look at this baby. Yeah, I like that. I want to find him a special place. Put him down here by my sweet little other Hoya and my little silver dragon. And now I have one more plant in here that I got. And to tell you the truth, can't even remember what this one was. Oh, yes. I think I do remember this. Hang on. Oh, yes. Yes. Last one. This is losing dirt. Losing dirt. But maybe I can get all this off of it. This is a Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, not the tissue culture. I've had a tissue culture, and I don't know, I have it over here in my greenhouse. It's not doing very well, but I had saw one in the store, and it was actually it wasn't the tissue culture, and it looked so healthy and nice, and the leaves kind of were thicker. And then I got that because it's the only one I could find at the time, and I don't know, it looked really frail, didn't look good. So yeah, it's over here in the greenhouse. I don't know if it's going to make it or not. In fact, that's it right there. You can see with the yellow leaf, this one looks much better. Look at this. Oh, how pretty. This is the one they call the, like the mini Monstera. Did I just hear something click or break or something? Stop it. But it has some new growth. But look at those leaves. How pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love the green color. So, I got the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I got the Hoya macrophylla. I got the Hoya retusa. And last but not least, I got the Alocasia silver dragon. Oh, I'm so happy. I love them all. So, I will get these guys settled in. I'll let them kind of acclimate to their surroundings. I'll find a special place to put those, and I'll give you an update on how they're doing. And I'm going to do more plant content on this channel. So, I know this one was kind of rushed because I just walked in the door and got home and saw that I had plant mail, and I was like, oh, I'm going to start doing my unboxings. I unbox and then I don't film them, and then I don't have any content to put on my channel. So, thank you for joining me. If you like plants and you like a rambling Southern girl that just, you know, it is what it is. Please subscribe, like this channel. Sassy Plants. Karen Sue 63 on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.